This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to connect Webflow to N8N. If you're looking to automate your workflow by connecting Webflow, a popular web design tool, with N8N, an automation platform, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless connection set up, allowing you to automate tasks and streamline your processes efficiently. To get started, let's head over to N8N's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in n8n.io. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account or create one if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the N8N dashboard, which is your main hub for creating and managing workflows. Now, let's dive into creating a new workflow. On the dashboard, look for a button or link that says Create Workflow. Click on it and you'll be directed to a blank canvas where you can begin crafting your workflow. This blank space is where all the magic happens, where you'll connect your applications and automate your tasks. Next, you'll need to add your first step in the workflow. Look for an option that says Add First Step or something similar and click on it. This action will prompt you with a list of available nodes or applications that you can integrate with N8N. In the search bar, type Webflow and hit Enter. You'll see Webflow appear in the list of available integrations. Click on Webflow and you'll be presented with various options for what you can do with this integration. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on setting up triggers. Select the Triggers option. Triggers are essential because they tell your workflow when to start based on specific events in Webflow. Selecting the right trigger is crucial for your workflow to run smoothly and efficiently. Once you've selected your trigger, you'll need to connect N8N to Webflow. Look for a button or link that says Connect to Webflow and click on it. This will likely redirect you to Webflow's login page. Enter your Webflow credentials and grant N8N the necessary permissions to access your Webflow account. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between the two platforms, allowing them to communicate and share the data. After successfully connecting to Webflow, you'll be redirected back to N8N, where you can continue configuring your workflow. From here, you can add more steps, define actions, and customize your automation to fit your specific needs. Congratulations, you've now connected Webflow to N8N. You can start exploring the endless possibilities of automating tasks between these two powerful platforms. Whether you're looking to automate content updates, synchronize data, or anything else, this connection will surely enhance your productivity. Remember, automation is all about making your life easier. So take some time to explore and experiment with different workflows in N8N. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and efficient in automating various tasks. Thanks for following along in this tutorial and happy automating.